Hello, today I have a 2012 Acura TL working on replacing the EC compressor. So I want to show you the easiest way to get this out. So first of all, you will have to disconnect the negative battery, and right here you will disconnect the belt from the tensioner. This tool is very good to go in. It's 14 millimeter, and then to release the belt by moving the tensioner this way, counterclockwise. And then you're gonna have to remove the radiator support. This two 12 millimeter bolt, and then you're gonna have to remove this fan. It's two 10 millimeter bolt at the top and two 10 millimeter bolt at the bottom, and you're gonna have to disconnect this cable attached to here, the clip attached to here, and release the hoses attached to here also, and disconnect the fan plug, and also just take this off the reservoir, so you have a room here to get this compressor out. You don't have to remove the alternator. You just need a little bit room when you remove this radiator support, the one I just showed you, the bracket, so you can push this radiator in a little bit. And then after you bleed the Furrion, then you take this 12 millimeter nut off. You disconnect the alternator plug, you disconnect the EC compressor plug, then you disconnect this two 10 millimeter bolt and nuts for the EC compressor. You can disconnect it from here. And for the fan, I just released the bottom cover, so I can take this hoses and the 2 millimeter bolts off for the fan. And then after you remove this the EC line, then you remove all four 12 millimeter bolt. Then you can come to this side and pull the compressor from here up by pushing the radiator toward you side right here, so you're gonna have room to get this out instead of removing the compressor or removing the shield for the cat. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.